Is your car ready for the summer? Is your air conditioner cleaned and running cold? Ready to make the most out of the summer? Welcome to All Out Performance Diesel and South Texas Transmission in Spring, Texas. The best little repair shop in Southeast Texas. All Out Performance Diesel offers professional custom and high-performance diesel engine and transmission repair and modifications for diesel cars and trucks. We've earned a reputation for optimizing performance in diesel trucks throughout the areas of Klein, Tomball and Conroe, and the Woodlands, and Spring, Texas. We are the professional experts for transmission repair that you are looking for. We service all makes and models of cars and trucks. We can also service fleets. Situated in the heart of the northern Houston suburbs, we are serving the entire area with friendly customer service and the best rates for all repairs. We can finance repairs up to $5,000, same as cash for 6 months. No credit needed. Free towing is available on all major repairs. Give us a call today, call 936-273-3977 or visit our website alloutdieselandtransmission.com.